It-titlu tal-kanzunetta Pajjiż tal-Mickey Mouse kien ilu jdejjaq lil Zack Ritchie għall-konnotazzjoni negattiva li jagħti lil pajjiżna. Kien għalhekk li għażel li bil-passjoni tiegħu tal-arti jaqleb din il-frażi f'xi ħaġa simpatika. L-arti li llum il-ġurnata saret il-karriera tiegħu sar juża biex juri sbuħija ta' Malta u għawdex u jagħti ħajja lit-tradizzjonijiet lokali.
I try to combine Maltese things with Disney things. I love drawing characters, I love being an optimistic person, and I try to fuse them both. So Maltese colors, all these characters that have their own history, these cultural elements. I just try to iconify them.
Qatt ma stenna li f'pajjiż fejn ħafna jgħidu li l-arti ma toffrilekx futur kien se jirċievi daqstant rispons inkoraġġanti wara li t-tfajla tiegħu krietlu gallerija tal-arti bħala rigal.
It was a very, very nice but stressful surprise. She surprised me with 2 weeks. She booked the gallery, and I remember at that point at time I didn't really have anything to show. So all the work was done within 2 months. As the turnout was very, very surprising. I mean, besides Maltese people showing interest, even people from Australia, even tourists, they look back to them as their roots, and they're iconifying our culture in a different manner. And some of them just see it as a good takeaway, as in they come visit Malta and they have something nice to take with them.
Bil-passjoni għall-arti il jgħid li dejjem kienet fih għax wirita minn missieru għal Zack dinja opportunità li jagħti xi ħaġa lura lil pajjiżu. Iżda fuq kollox jixtieq li l-eżempju tiegħu ikun ukoll messaġġ ta' kuraġġ għal ħadd ieħor.
Always be optimistic. You should never look at the negative. So always keep trying for it.